Hello, back with the video. Whenever you watch a movie or an anime or whatever you watch, whenever you see a villain, okay, till you don't see the backstory of a villain, you think villain is a bad guy, like what happens in Naruto, one of the greatest anime ever. When we saw the backstory of Obito, our whole perspective changes, right? Our whole truth changes, the whole reality shifts, right? That's what happens in physics also. Let's talk about gravity, okay? So what happens, like Newton observed like apples falling, people falling from the building and all that. So he made a theory of gravity in which objects attract toward each other, because falling means what? Attraction. Okay, falling means attraction. That body, if this falls like this, the only conclusion Newton can make from this, that this body is getting attracted toward this body, and how it is getting attracted, how there should be a force. So that's what Newton called gravity, a force. Okay, but then became the theory of gravity, and then it predicted planetary orbits and all that. Then then some observations were made through telescopes that orbit of Mercury is not correctly predicted by the theory of gravitation given by Newton. Okay, then came Einstein. Then he gave a theory that how mass energy affects the space time and how space time affects mass energy back. This became the new theory of gravity, currently most accepted theory of gravity. Okay, but after Einstein gave this theory, there is still one problem came, the problem of dark energy. What happens when Hubble telescope got launched and we started capturing shapes of galaxies? Like our galaxy has a, what, Milky Way has a spiral shape. All those different shapes of galaxy, the orientation of different star systems in galaxies, we found that no theory of gravity is suggesting that it should have that kind of shape, because the velocities at the end of galaxies, like the stars, what velocities they have at the end of galaxies at their spiral arms, that is not correctly predicted by any theory. So what physicists say at theories, then there is clear indication theory is wrong. Einstein's theory also wrong. um, Newton theory also wrong. The thing is, when we make observations which we don't know, the whole theory, the whole truth changes, right? So we can say that truth is relative, reality is relative. We live in our own illusions. Okay, let's say illusion is illusion. But is there a thing called absolute reality? Like if there is a number written on the board 10, and somehow the word you can't see 0, so for everybody in the world the number is 1, but but me and you only know that number is 10. So what is that number, 1 or 10? Is there an absolute reality in which the number is 10, only 10, no 1, but all people in the world think a number is 1? So who is correct, me, you, or the whole world? Answer is, I think, everyone. Now we'll talk in the next video. Goodbye.